Linking your bank account to Yieldstreet is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your Yieldstreet account. Visit the Yieldstreet website and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Bank Linking option. Look for the option to link a bank account. This may be labeled as Link Bank Account, Add Bank, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information. This usually includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on Save or Submit button to link your bank account to Yieldstreet. You may receive a confirmation message once the process is complete. Now that you have linked your bank account, you can easily manage your investments on Yieldstreet. If you encounter any issues, consult the support section for assistance.